Hello, precious family. Welcome back to Ahobrasia Kitchen and a happy Mother's Day in advance. God bless our mothers. Mothers, you are the heart of the family. God bless you. We love you all. Enjoy to the fullest. Here are our ingredients: bread, blueberries, blood orange, grapes, apples, bacon, jalapeno peppers, onions, tomatoes, sweet peppers, cheese. We have salt, eggs, and our butter that I made with you, the butter with the herbs. Your fruit to be or make you try my bushing phone. Baby, now me ice cubes. I'm gonna use some of these fruits to make ice cubes. I have some blueberries in here. Okay, see, here is our fruit. So I'm going to fill the tray with the apple cider sparkling wine. Okay, it's full enough. I'm gonna put it in the freezer. We're starting with our apple. I cut the head off, I cut the bottom, and then you see I put the knife here. I'm gonna take the fruits out. Okay, so now look, you push it down. You see, yeah, okay, then you put it here like this. It look like it's crooked, so you can straighten it up by cutting or trimming here just a little bit. I'm gonna do that. I'm going to put the bottom one inside it, but you see it's a little bit big, so you trim it so it can go inside it. Okay, so now it's gonna be okay in here, see. And if you you don't want the apple to discolor, you see it's changing, you put it in lime water to at least stop it a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna do the next apple. Okay, so now I'm gonna fill mine. Apples. Okay. I'll use the okay. See, now I feel it, Emma. Come on. Okay, so toothpick. And you put it somewhere. Okay. Benitos, vámonos. Like that. The other one too. You want to turn it this way, or it should be that way. Anyhow you want it. Okay. Vámonos. I put this right away in the lemon water, but this one was delayed, so I think you can see the difference. A little bit salt because of the bacon. Okay. Okay. Tomatoes, peppers, and peppers, jalapeno and jalapeno, bacon. Okay, love the cheese. Okay, so our butter. I did this butter with you. Okay. BB collections. And we had the form say about your kama. And so hairstylist for weddings, naming ceremony. Dr. Strands GH. Obey your say fe. Alfredo, about the Pama wedding dress, Nina, or Bombarding Womupa. Or not so yet, wear TK. The butter smells really good. Smelling good cheesy mama. Okay. Time for our bread. We're gonna toast it. So I put one butter. Say, Ihuano. What there one can say try there one can say try net. Ihuani. Okay. Bread. Finito. That's our bread. And some prekese too is boiling seriously here. Your prekese tea no soba. Okay. So, Mama Benoma. Okay, now this is going for the drink. That's our ice cubes that we did with the fruits. And then this one. Okay, family. Now I'm going to put the skewer in here. Then I put this then I put this. Okay. So here, like that. See that? Okay. That's our prekese. Mommy will drink prekese. Okay. Let's serve mommy. Here. Okay, we are done. Our Mother's Day breakfast is ready. Look at that. Hey. Why na baby breakfast? Young fruits in Susani. Hey, and a chocolate. Ghana chocolate to Sister Grace. Thanks for giving me the chocolate. Sending the chocolate all the way. Our Mother's Day breakfast is ready. Wow, Shasania, a sparkling wine, kasa. Asumami. God bless you. Yo, tea aduane ni your bread no. Aduane na ye fese. Na ni hram no. And ye wear apples no so ha fruits. Mama baby fruits. Hey, Sister Ya Grace. Yeah, that's you. All the way from Ghana. The chocolate. God bless you. Double. Yeah, Mama Benum. Prekese tea. Hey. Okay, Ebusiafo. Thanks for watching Ahobrase Kitchen. Our food is ready, smelling yummy, looking delicious. We love you all. Bye. Happy Mother's Day.